Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Hunter. Today we are touring a brand new floor plan by Sabre. The 37 FLL stands for Front Living Loft. The thing is stacked. It's coming in at about $45,000, $46,000. You're going to see a ton of value, a ton of space. Really a camper for any type of lifestyle. Today I'm not clipping on the mic. I'm going to carry it around with me, but I'm going to jump into a very speedy 30-second tour around the entire camper. If you dig it, make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. They do take some time, and I try to do my best. But then afterward, if it's a floor plan that you're interested in or just want to check out a bad to the bone camper, I'm going to take you around about an 8-minute real slow tour, starting on the inside because I do have some customers right outside that door touring a little no boundaries, and I don't want to ruin their flow. But yeah, I'm going to get right to it, and then I'll see you back inside. And we'll do a nice little slow tour. Thanks, guys. Alrighty guys, so I am back, and again this is the 2021 Sabre 37 FLL. If you guys are still here, thank you so much. I definitely appreciate you. Hopefully you like and subscribe. But right here we're starting off in the kitchen. And the first thing you'll notice is this thing looks great. There is a ton of storage, a ton of space. Let me open up these two and you get the idea for the other. But I mean, check that thing out. If we can see it, flips all the way in. Well, here, heck, I'll just open this up. But there is just a ton of pantry space in this thing. It is absolutely unbelievable. And as I said, it is a brand new floor plan. I think it's going to do very well, especially when you're talking about under $50,000, and this is what you are getting. Right here, you do have your 3 stovetop burner. It looks nice. You got a little fancy pants, little cover there, looking sleek, looking good. Gray stone oven, storage underneath right there, and right here you got 3 little pullouts of decent size, nothing crazy, but nothing to schlub at. Storage underneath here, and I just love where the RV industry is going with this black stainless steel. It is good looking. You got your little, I guess you call it the snake thing here. Good to go, hitting those dishes from all angles. Loctite wood core cabinetry. I'm going to have to look in to see what that means. In the meantime, you at least know that that is what it is. But check out this microwave even. It is pretty freaking big. It's definitely much larger than my house and much nicer. Right here you have your Hisense refrigerator. Definitely a great fridge. Nice residential fridge. Let's get this bad boy unlocked. Get this opened up. Let you check it out. Look how sharp looking that thing is. Definitely have space for any type of camping trip. I mean, heck, you could fit a week's worth of groceries in this bad boy, no problem. Forgot that. Big old dual, well, that's taped in. You get the idea. You guys have seen a freezer tray before. But here's what I like. Again, storage out the wazoo on this bad boy. For those of you that do not know me and haven't watched my videos, this goes past elbow deep, and I am a 6-foot man with normal sized arms. And what I really like is these zebra shades. I put them all down since I mentioned I do have some customers next door. I don't think they want to be blasted on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Nice dinette here. Check this thing out. And being the 37 FLL, first, I'm going to check out the FL, the front living portion of this camper. Before we go back, show you an awesome bedroom and a loft, which is probably a child's dream up there. There is a smaller loft, and there's also a much larger one. If you have a, an adult could fit up there nice and easy. But you'll notice, I mean, the counter space on here, look at this thing again. It looks sharp. There's tons of space to, you know, play cards, put all your groceries, anything you want, really. But right up here, ton of storage. Got the AC pumping, and you'll notice that it is pretty quiet. I am standing. That is how close to it is to me, and this is how quiet it is. This microphone literally picks up everything. I've had a couple people comment, dude, you gotta quit breathing on the mic. But whatever, your boy doesn't stop breathing. Got a fireplace there. That thing will pump up to 100 degrees. It makes it uncomfortably hot in here. A nice large RCA TV. Storage to the left and to the right. Nothing wild, nothing crazy. Good accent lighting behind it. And you will notice there is outlets right there and right there. USBs next to them. So you can put any kind of device up there. Get them charging, get them working. Get them connected to your smart TV. Big storage on either side. You're good to go there. And I'll let you see it from this angle. Just a sharp camper. Nice furniture. Those are recliners that come out. They do have a heating mode and a massage mode. So that is nice. A pull-out couch that'll come to the center point. And what is nice is that you can pull both of these out and they will connect in the middle for whatever reason. There's a lot of companies out there that make one that overlaps the other one for 3 inches. Why in the world they would both pull out is beyond me. But, you know, hey, I don't design them. I just sell them. I just sell them. Give you one more peek-a-rooney. Good looking camper. I love this new floor plan. I think that I'm going to sell a ton of them, make some good money, make some good friends. We'll be good to go. A little sneak peek of the edge of the bed there. But first we're going to the bathroom. Nice size shower. Actually, very nice size shower. Let's get up in there, show you this side. Tried to flex in the mirror, failed again. But look at that sink, storage underneath. My gimbal's getting caught on its own cords here. Give me a second. So right up here is I'll show you from the other side, but this is the loft that I'm talking about right above the bathroom. Plenty of space to sleep for. That's going to be the side for either storage or some smaller children. It is pretty cramped up there on that side, but I'll show you the other side here in a moment. Plenty of storage right there. There are your steps leading up to the loft, but before we head that, let's get to the more important part. Big old king bed. USBs, outlets, lamps that turn on, so you're good to go there. But that storage above is extremely nice for any type of, you know, clothing or, you know, linens, things of that nature. But I just love the way they set this thing up. I mean, check that out. Got like a little built-in dresser here. And as you campers know, having stuff like this is 100% necessary and very often left out. Storage is definitely the downfall of just about every camper. This one's got a ton. It's got hanging rods in there. It's got a mirror with an absolute hunk in it. Flexing on the competition. So right down in here, it's either more closet spaces, you can see the hanging bars right there, or there is a part for the dryer vent location. So you can put a washer dryer in there, which is very nice. And I was very surprised when I opened this up, because this is actually the first time I've been in it, just toured it real quick, was how great this storage is underneath. Goes all the way back the full size of the king, which is, you know, it's a rarity, and it is nice. TV backer right here, places to plug it in, cable outlets, all that good stuff. But let's go right on up to that loft. First, I'll show you this smaller side. I would guess that this is probably only 2 feet. So I am not getting up there. But, you know, any of your younger kids would have an absolute ball up there. But then check out this side. This side. You can definitely get up there. I mean, look at all that for all the kids' toys. And then right here, got your outlets for your TVs, your video games. Get your Fortnite going. Little cubby there for shoes or whatever kids do. And the nice thing is, on some of these lofts, they overlook your entire living room, and your kids can bug you literally all night long. This one is not the case. But again, let's check this out. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not going to head around the outside today. We got the NBA playoffs on. And football is kicking off. Your boy is out. Thank you very much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.